Vertical linear graphs. If a linear graph is vertical, this means that the x-coordinate does not change. This means that all points of the graph have the same x-coordinate for every value of y. In this way, we don't need a y-coordinate in vertical graphs. The only important information in such graphs is their x-coordinate, which shows how much on the left or on the right of the vertical axis the graph of the line lies. The figure below shows three vertical graphs x equals 3, x equals 0, and x equals -4. We have the following shown on screen. It is obvious that this time, the only variable present in the equation is the independent variable x. It is true that the equation of a line in 2 dimensions, we have the following shown on screen. But since the y variable is not important, we omit it by multiplying the variable y by 0. This means b equals 0. Therefore, for the line equation, we have the following shown on screen. Or we have the following shown on screen. For the x-intercept of the graph, we have the following shown on screen. For example, the line x equals the third of may be the simplified form of 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, minus 5x plus 15 is equal to 0, etc. We have the following shown on screen. And so on. Example A. Calculate the distance between the lines 2x, 7 equals 0 and 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. B. Make a figure that shows both of these lines. Solution. A. First, we must find the values of x for each line. Thus, for the first line we have the following shown on screen. And for the second line, we have the following shown on screen. Since they are on the opposite sides of the vertical axis, we must add these two numbers to find the distance between the given lines. Hence, for the required distance d, we have the following shown on screen. B. The figure that includes both lines is shown, we have the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 14.1.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 14.1.4, Steep Linear Graphs. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.com.